Still a very good evening, and thanks for watching. Now, there was a hassle about the ongoing assumption of the oil price war recently in March, April, May of 2020. But and you know what typically everyone say is related to the Russian and the Saudi oil war. But here is actually the reality. What really defines or controls the price war or the oil price in itself is the level of supply in the market and the Saudis are clearly stating that or made it clear that it was not on our radar or our intention to create any type of damage to their industry, referring to the oil shale market of America. And that's actually true. Um, America has sufficient oil reserves, and that's also good for the international oil market. While I would also add that China needs a lot of oil and gas resources, and so do um, Russia, Europe, other Central Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, even India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and so I mentioned something that I would break a very important news with you today, and that is that some new investors are, while some are leaving, new entrants are coming to take over some, minority to majority stakes in the big multinational companies or big blue oil companies. And that's important because oil companies have usually done a very good job with refining, producing oil and gas resources for 50 years now, and have been both good business and very relevant for national economies. Here is today's breaking news. Saudis take 1 billion stake in European oil companies. Saudi Arab Sovereign Wealth Fund invested $1 billion in four European oil majors: Norwegian Equinor, Shell, Netherlands, French Total, and Italian Eni. And I think the market should or would react quite positive on that because I'm not an analyst. I'm advisor and director. And what I was or has been advising Statoil for a couple of years is that they should start to take over companies. And by this, I think that we can see some other hopeful ventures and investments for the coming, let's say, 20, 30 years. And that is, I mean, if they invest more, that would be even better.